Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Harini and this is Microsoft Word Lesson 1. In this lesson, we are going to learn what Microsoft Word is and understand the Word interface. This is for beginners, so don't worry. Microsoft Word is a word processing application. We use Word to type documents, write letters, create assignments, make resumes and reports. It is used by students, teachers, office workers, and for personal work. When we open Word, we see a blank page. This blank page is called a document. We can create multiple documents and save them on our computer. At the top of Word, you can see quick access toolbar, small buttons for save, undo, redo, etc. Title bar shows the document name. Minimize button, hide Word temporarily. Maximize, restore button, make Word full screen or restore window size. Close button, close Word. These buttons help you navigate Word easily. The ribbon contains tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Review, View. Each tab has different tools. We will learn them slowly in the future lessons. The Home tab is most commonly used. Here we can change font style and size, make text bold, italic or underline, change text color, align. These tools help us make documents professional. Click on the document and start typing. If you make a mistake, use backspace or delete. Select text and apply formatting using Home tab. Click File, Save As, choose a location, name your document and click Save. Always save regularly. That's all for today's lesson. We learned what Word is, the Word interface including quick access toolbar and window buttons. Next lesson we will start creating proper documents step by step. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.